Well, welcome back to 164 Revival, and it is Paint It Pink Day. Got a project with a ton of other customizers, restorers. We're going to do is the 53 custom Cadillac. Got to have a pink Cadillac. It's kind of a cool little casting. I don't know what the little racer is got to do with anything back there, but it's probably going to be taken out. And I'll try and do something with the bed there. And I'm going to go with the Spectraflame Hot Pink. And I don't have very much of it. So I've got one shot at it. If not, I think that I'm going to. I believe I've got. Yeah, I've got some U.S. Art Supply airbrush color there in hot pink. This is just a water-based acrylic. That will be plan B if I don't get the hot pink out. The last hot pink that I did, I believe, was a Redline Custom Camaro, one of the Sweet 16s that I did. And apparently, I'm not sure if I did another car in that or not. I'd have to take a look. But I must have painted that a couple times, because I ain't got much. So it's a one-shot deal with that. We'll get her stripped down here, disassembled, get after it. Let's go. Alright, we got her all tore apart. I went ahead and filed those posts down. I'm going to have to tap them, drill them, tap them. We got the base, plastic chrome. Gray interior. Probably going to paint that white. We're going to cut that off. But with cutting this little racer off of there, we're left with that. So that's going to have to be filled in. What I may do is make a template out of here, the inside there, and then transfer that over. Alright, time to do some stripping. I like my aircraft stripper. Only takes a matter of moments. Typically anyway, but these newer castings and its paint, it usually takes care of it pretty quick. I'm going to go ahead and take care of this, get the rest of this off, wash it down, give it a good scrub, nice cleaning. We'll get her ready for a paint job. Whew, there's about an hour's worth of polishing. Alright, I did not like the Spectraflame hot pink that I shot on this. It's been a while since I used that, and as soon as I did, I remembered it's kind of a color shift, and I went ahead and stripped it off, as you can see. It looking straight on, it was a nice hot pink, but you move it around and it was almost like a burnt orange. So what I'm gonna do is experiment with a mixture here of some US Art Supply. It's an opaque color in hot pink, and then I got some Createx pearl white in their pearlized line there, and then I'm reducing it down with some 4020, and it looks pretty good. It's got a little sparkle to it. I'm liking it. I just hope it sprays as well as the regular Createx. Now I'm mixing this. This is a water-based acrylic. Now, being this is all water-based, I'm assuming we should have a good mix. So I'm going to continue to mix this up. Alright, I like that a lot better. It's got a real subtle little glitter in there. And that ain't even been cleared yet. Alright, I got some pinstriping that I'm going to try and put on probably the hood. And then I may try somewhere on the back side here. And I'm not going to get crazy with it. I'm just going to put a few on there. And here, this microsol, I'm going to do the edges on this. The solvent, what it does is it softens the decal, gets the edges, lets them lay down a little smoother, so you really don't see the edges. It really looks like that pinstriping was painted on instead of a water slide decal. Okay, now I've made my template right here for the bed, and as you can see, we got the wheel wells, and there's not a whole lot of bed area in there. But I don't know where I got this, but I got some strips of wood. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my pieces here. I don't know how many I'm going to need. Probably about 5 maybe. And then I'm going to glue them together. Get them sanded down a little bit. And I'm going to lay the template on it. And I will cut out the wheel well. And then what I'll have to do is I'll have to go back in and kind of do fitting and trimming probably on the outer edges. Alright, we're going to get the wood decking down there right now, just before I believe we are ready for clear coat. I want to go ahead and clear this up too. Really like this brush and nozzle Gorilla Glue. You can use the brush to brush on, or you can use the nozzle if you need to. It's really handy. And this bed isn't perfect. This is my first shot here at doing something like this. It was tedious, but I did enjoy it. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it works for me. And doing it more and more, you just, like anything else, you'll get better at it. Okay, and I used my normal clear coat, and I got some shots here of the final clear coat, and I'm pretty pleased on how it came out and how it laid down. Pretty good shine on it, so we'll get ready for assembly and put her on the spinner. And here we have it. We got the 53 Cadillac in the Paint It Pink Challenge. Hope you enjoyed my journey on this. Please check out the other customizers that are involved in this for the breast cancer awareness. Please hit like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and we will see you on the next episode of 164 Revival.